This story is very tricky.
What are the
It's
sources?
amazing. What a book.
Too many voices in our head before starting a book? Let me help you guys. Welcome to Stand Up Stories with Sonal, where we talk about books. Of course, there are spoiler-free plot twists, there are beautiful book covers, and well, the best and worst parts of the book. Although I don't think there's anything bad about any book, but let's see. As for today, we have The Sugar Lake Tragedy. Yes, the very book that has stayed on my shelf for like straight 2 months, and the damn book that I am currently obsessed with. It's written by our very founder of TLB City, Sharad Kumar, and well, an amazing person, as amazing of a writer he is. One day I received a book mail from the owner that I was not really sure if I would enjoy on paper. But then happened the author reality show, TLB author reality show. Most of you might know about it. It was there that the author told us about his book and how it came to life, how his thoughts were presented in words, and I even asked him how the book was written. So his reply was, I discovered something, so I decided to write the book so that everyone knows what I discovered, since the discovery was based on observation and hypothetical ideas. Wait, before getting started with the book, there's something you should know. Something like a guideline to read the book so that you can enjoy it even more. In this book, the main character is you, the reader. You get to feel each and every emotion present in the book in multiple ways. If you're a girl, the book is totally different for you. If you're a guy, the book will be entirely different for you. You just have to stick to the choices you make. Yes, choices. In the book, you get to make the choices. Be a good person and be a good reader and stick to the choices that you have made. So basically the story revolves around Sugar Lake, a lake located between Calibgan and Lollygan, which has become the epicenter of tragedies happening due to pollution across the globe, which of course is because of us humans only. And amidst all this, you, the reader, or the main character, if I must say, becomes the savior, the hero, the Superman of the book, who decides to save people or yourself. That depends on the choices that you make. It is going to change your entire perspective, how you see yourself and the world around you. The main goal of the book is to make people aware about our ecosystem and how their actions not just affect the planet but the entire universe, our health and environment. But after reading the book, you'll understand it's much more than that. Yes, it's fiction, so the author has taken liberty to take it to a cosmic level, I would say. But there are mention of some real places, real names. It includes some real people, and author has tried his best to include 7 countries within the book and make them feel at home. What does the cover depict? So usually cover is the first thing that I see in a book, and although it's not anything extravagant, but it's actually amazing how he's put everything, like the major parts, in the cover. First, of course, the name, then of course the author's name, Sharad Kumar, and this is the bridge that we talk about, which connects Lollygan and Calibgan, and this is the Sugar Lake, where all the tragedies are being attracted, if I must say. Calibgan is a multilingual nation where each person from any culture will find something or other that they can relate to, they can feel at home while reading the book. It's not just a book but a depiction of the entire globe within a small nation. So all in all, this book is a full package of entertainment plus learnings Here you will get to learn how pollution is affecting not just our environment but the cosmic level universe as well. Just see how amazingly I have just colored the book. OMG, it's amazing. Loved the journey totally. I hope you love it equally. Keep us updated on what you think about the book. Till then, bye bye.